Yoga and meditation in the morning, that's the dream, right? It is almost 9 o'clock. Slow mornings are sort of my thing. I heard there is a really good fresh croissant place right across the street. So I'm gonna go and see if I can get some breakfast croissants for myself. And I'm back because I forgot my mask. How much? Okay, muy bueno. Obrigada. They only accepted the cash, so I could buy only one croissant, but I feel it's still warm. But I want to have my morning coffee as well, so shall I try my nemesis, my coffee machine again? Push it all the way. That's what I learned. Capsula in. Now it's coffee. Yeah, it's a good fresh croissant with nice cream. So, and the infamous coffee. Good as well. To take a little rest from computer work, because that's what I've been doing the entire morning. We came to this beach where I slept before. I came to the Airbnb, and I noticed that people come and walk their dogs here, so I can let Linka loose here. It's quite a protected area from the road with the mountain, and the other side has the sea, so it's quite okay. Odessa, what are you eating? Nej, nej, nej. Linka wants to lay on it. Nej. I saw, like, I parked next to a massive camper van. Look at that. This is my car, and this is another camper van. It looks like a house next to mine. It's so funny. Being able to let Linka loose is such a big change. Like it gives such a big effect on the quality and the mood of our hike. But to do it safely, I have a GPS collar for her, and it's just safer for me. Than I know if she runs away or gets lost, I always know where she is. And also it's really fun to see how she's moving, like on the map. So this is her today. The orange is her, and she ran like approximately 6 kilometers today. Yeah. So I really like Christmas, right? Usually I already listen to Christmas songs like full on since middle of November, but this year I just don't feel it because, you know, I don't have snow. I don't have the feeling, especially as I'm on the road. So let's change that today. I'm gonna pour myself a little glass of wine. I already made myself feel more cozy here. I have a fireplace going on. I have some candles, also some Christmas decorations. I'm gonna make myself oven roasted vegetables, have a glass of wine, and listen to royalty-free Christmas music. Okay, so I clearly put too much effort in it right now. I added a second camera angle. I hope you are enjoying it. Also, I redecorated a little bit, and I had to include our little Santa Claus. Of course, Santa Claus is the one that we choose now. Yes, roasted vegetables is one of my favorite things ever to eat whenever, but also it's quite a like a Christmas food. So I have potatoes, I have shallots, I have, what is this called in English? I don't know. And I have carrots that have already gone a little bit bad because they have been in my van for maybe a week. So let's try to salvage some of them. Yeah, cheers. Would have been nice to have like a cooking show, but the only problem is I don't know how to cook. Like, I know how to cook, but I hate to cook. This is not bad. This is not bad. We can salvage some of them, or like I think most of them. We just cut off the bad parts. Oh no, this is bad. This didn't look good. Oh, by the way, I extended my stay here for 1 day because I like it here, and then I booked another surfing class tomorrow. It's more quieter weather tomorrow. Hopefully less waves, and they didn't have a group session, so I booked a private session and I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna peel all of this stuff. How do no, you can't peel this. So I'm gonna peel all of this stuff, and I'm gonna come back to you. Oh, these shallots kicked my ass. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so because I was too excited to do the vegetables, I didn't really check what kind of spices I have. I saw that they have some here in this Airbnb, but we don't need much, okay? So we're gonna make it work because they're gonna taste amazing anyway. Okay, so I like my vegetables in like this stripy fashion. I'm gonna make few smaller because then they cook faster. It's not specifically like Estonian way to do it, it's just how I started to do it one time, and I really like this, like oblong, long vegetables. Okay, in ideal world we should have olive oil, but now we have sunflower oil, so a lot of oil, because that's what makes things nice. Okay, maybe it was a little bit too much. But that's fine. Salt. It's not gonna come out here. Give me salt. Okay, this is not working. I had a little bit thicker salt here. So salt. Yeah. Okay, and a little bit of black pepper. There's not a lot of left, so let's use it all. Sometimes I mix it with liquid honey and some green spices, and then it's really nice. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. Let's mix it well. Simple things are the best. Now we have our beautifully pre-prepared pan. Okay, let's just dump them here. I'm just gonna put the shallots here on top. I just like how the roasted onion tastes. They go this like golden brown. Oh my god, they're attacking again. It's funny that the dogs don't do anything. Like they should have such a strong sense of smell, and they're just chilling here. Both are here on the ground. Okay, very nice. That is the best I can do. A little bit soft. Okay, easy breezy. Oh my god. And now into the oven. Check it out. Oh, the onions. Okay, into the oven. And now we wait. Half an hour, 40 minutes. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. My god, I miss roast vegetables so much. Yes. Really nice. Oh, and the onion. Roasted onion, it's the best. So cheers my friends, happy holidays, good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.